How to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Yes, it is possible to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Here are 3 different channels that are doing this. Practical Psychology makes videos about psychology and gets 700,000 views per month. Philosophies for Life make videos about ancient philosophers and they get nearly 1 million views per month. The Young Entrepreneurs Forum upload videos about business ideas and they get over 400,000 views per month. So the average view count of these 3 channels, 700,000 views per month. Now, given a $7 CPM from ad revenue, that's about $4,900 per month. Channels like Practical Psychology also sell courses, so they probably make a lot more. So if you are to do this, which niche will you choose? I recommend the technology, health, wealth, relationship, or happiness niche. All 3 channels that I just shared with you are in sub-niches related to these topics. So how are these channels making videos without showing their face? They find video ideas, write a script, do a voiceover, and use Whiteboard animation software to generate these videos. How can you find video ideas? Go to some of the top channels within your niche that is already doing what you want to do. Sort their videos by the most popular upload and then write down ideas from them. You can also search your niche on YouTube to see what comes up and write down these ideas. Finally, you can use software like vidIQ to search your niche and see which keyword comes up with a high amount of search volume and low competition. Write down these ideas as well. You should have a list of at least 30 different video ideas. Awesome job. It is time to start making the actual videos, which isn't that hard. Here's how to do it. The first step is to write the script. If you are experienced in writing, you can use any text editing software such as Microsoft Word, but I recommend an online writing tool like Grammarly. Use Google to search the list of video ideas you have gathered. Now open up some of the first articles and YouTube videos. Go through each article and YouTube video, making notes of the main point. Then expand on this point and write them in your own words. Again, I recommend making your script at least 2,000 words long to ensure that your finished video is at least 10 minutes long. But it is okay if some are shorter or longer. Just maintain the amount of word it will take you to give as much value to the topic as possible. Now, value can be entertainment value or educational value. If you don't want to write a script yourself, consider paying someone on freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr to do it for you at $10 to $30. Check all your scripts with a website like Grammarly or Copyscape to make sure that the writing is unique, whether you write them yourself or pay someone else to do it for you. I made a video on how you can use Grammarly and Whiteboard to write unique scripts. Check the description section for a link to that video. Now it is time to record your voiceover. You don't need any professional microphone to do this. You can use the voice recording app on your phone or use a better mic like the Blue Yeti Nano or any other microphone you can plug into your computer. Then I recommend a free software called Audacity to record your voiceover, and it is okay if you make mistakes while you are recording. Just repeat the line and then use Audacity or any other audio editing software to remove those mistakes. If you don't want to record a voiceover yourself, you can pay someone in either Upwork or Fiverr to do it for you for $10 to $15. The next step is to use the Whiteboard animation software to make your videos. You can use VideoScribe to do this. For example, you can import your video file and then drag and drop elements and text relating to what your script is talking about. And I recommend changing what's on the screen at least every 6 to 10 seconds to keep people's attention so that your video performs well. Also, ensure any music you use is quiet in the background of your video so it doesn't interrupt the voiceover of the video. If you don't want to put together the Whiteboard animation yourself, you can also pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do this for you. I usually spend about $25 to $40 for someone to get this done for me. Now your video is ready. Great job. But before you upload your video, you need to make sure that you have a thumbnail to make people click on your video to watch it. You can use an online website like Snapper or Canva to make your thumbnail. I recommend Canva, and you can find a link in the description of this video I made on how to use Canva. To get a thumbnail idea, I suggest you check out what works in other niches and then model their thumbnail. Don't copy them directly, but model the main element of what has worked in that niche. Suppose you use text in your thumbnails, make sure to make it very big and easy to read. Also, make sure to shrink your thumbnail down for it to look good. This step will help people see the thumbnail details even at a small size. Remember, the thumbnail is the first visual element telling people what your video is all about. I recommend having a primary element that stands out in your thumbnail. It can be a text, a person, or animated character. At the very most, you can have up to 3 primary elements in your thumbnail. If you have too many details in the thumbnail, it will make the thumbnails look unappealing and people might not click to watch your video as much. Using bright colors and high contrast in your thumbnail is good, and you can also use arrows and circles to draw people's attention. Now your video is ready to be uploaded. Upload your video and your thumbnail to YouTube and then fill out the rest of the info. Check how other top videos within your niche have titled their videos and model what they do for your title. And if you can include a keyword from somewhere like vidIQ within your title, that is good, but don't worry if you cannot. Your primary focus should be on making sure that your title is clickable and it is something people would search for. And for description, I recommend writing a paragraph or two summarizing your video and including some keywords written naturally into the description. Then under that, you can put some links to other videos on your channel. And you can check my description below for an example of this. Then fill out your tags putting keywords related to your video. You can use the Chrome extension called Social Blade to see what other keywords people are using in their tags, and then you can include some of those within your video as well, but only add tags that are related to your video. A tool like vidIQ can also help you find high search volume and low competition tags to include in your video tags. And once you have done that, you can hit publish and your video is up. Do not worry if your video gets no views within the first couple of days, and you might be asking, should I be promoting my videos? And my answer to that question is that the number one promotion that will get you the most traffic and compound on itself to increase exponentially is by letting YouTube promote your videos for you. You can do this by optimizing your videos properly. First, make sure you model what is already working and ensure that your videos are of good quality as the other videos within your niche. Next, upload at least 30 to 40 videos and use data from this first batch of upload to analyze and optimize the next set of videos you will upload. If you already have other social platforms like Facebook or Instagram account, you can promote on this platform as long as they are in the same niche as your channel and your video. This way, you have the right audience and YouTube knows who to promote your videos to. Interestingly, most channels I have grown to over 100,000 subscribers never had a Facebook page or an Instagram account. The only promotion that those videos get is from YouTube itself. So continue uploading good content, focusing on what you can control by putting up good videos on your channel. You might be asking, how will I make money doing this? You will make money once you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. But someone might say, won't it take forever to attain those milestones? It can happen faster than you probably think, but you need to optimize your channel correctly. Once you reach the monetization criteria, you will be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, in which YouTube will put ads on your video and then you will get a cut of that ad revenue. And if your videos are at least 8 minutes long, you can place multiple ad breaks throughout your video to multiply the amount of money you make. I recommend putting ads at least every couple of minutes throughout your video. To make more money from your video, I recommend you sign up for an affiliate marketing program relating to your niche and put the affiliate links within your video description. I recommend checking Digistore24 and JVZoo for products to promote, and you can make much more with this method than just ad revenue from YouTube. You can also make online courses, and it might sound intimidating to create an online course. However, a course can be a collection of your whiteboard videos teaching a specific topic, and you still don't even need to show your face for that. So you have got some videos made, but how often should you be uploading on your channel? To answer that, I recommend using a regular schedule. If you can do one video per day, that would be a great strategy. But if you cannot, then consider posting 3 videos a week. If you cannot do 3 videos in a week, try publishing 1 video consistently per week. For example, uploading 10 videos over 10 weeks is way better than uploading 10 videos all in one day and then uploading nothing for the rest of the 10 weeks. You might be saying, I know how to choose my niche, I know how to generate videos, I know how often to upload, but how long is it going to take me to get results and start making money? In my answer, it depends on many factors, and keep in mind that many top channels have to upload hundreds of videos on their channel before they got significant and consistent results. The goal of what I teach is to upload 40 videos modeling what already works within your niche, then analyze and optimize for your next batch of 40 videos. And typically, I would like you to see if you're getting some traction with your videos, getting similar views to other videos within your niche in the first 40 videos you post. The analytics you get from this will help you prepare for the next batch of videos you would make. And the reason why I recommend the strategy of uploading 40 videos and analyzing and optimizing for your next batch is because there is no solid strategy to make this work. So instead of just guessing and hoping that something will work, it is better to use this strategy to identify what is working and what is not working for your channel. You can make money much sooner by selling something with your channel because you don't have to to wait to get monetized on your channel by YouTube. This method can be done with affiliate links or by selling your product or any merchandise to your audience. And yes, this is possible to do. I have many students doing this, making at least $1,000 a month with this exact method without showing their faces. Now, you need to make sure that you are growing your channel properly to start getting views and subscribers. I believe you got enough value from this video, so make sure to hit the subscribe button to get my videos anytime I drop new content. Stay safe and keep making money online.